You're tired, the mortgage feels too high, you feel stuck, the house needs major repairs, and now you're wondering, what if I just walk away from the house? Before you do something permanent out of desperation, you need to know what really happens and what other people wish they had done instead. Here are better ways to get out of your situation, even if you feel hopeless right now. Walking away isn't just leaving the house, it's defaulting on a legal contract, the mortgage loan you signed. Here's what happens. You stop making payments, the bank sends notices of default. After 120 days or so, they set a foreclosure date. You get locked out, evicted, and lose everything you've paid into the house. Some people think the bank will just take the house back, just like returning a piece of clothing. But no, a foreclosure is going to follow you for the rest of your life. Here's the risk that you have if you just walk away. Your credit gets damaged. Your credit's going to get hit 100 to 150 points. It takes up to 7 years to remove it from your credit, and it's going to be hard to get another house or rent in the near future. Deficiency judgment. If the house sells for less than what you owe, the lender may come after you for the difference. Public record. A foreclosure is a public record, and when future employers look you up, do a background check, they're going to see a foreclosure, and some people might not hire you for that reason. When landlords look you up for a rental agreement, they're going to see that foreclosure. Or if you have a job that needs a security check, they're going to see that foreclosure on your record. Walking away might feel like freedom in the moment, but it often becomes a 7-year prison sentence you didn't expect. If you're even thinking about walking away, here are better ways to solve your problem. Talk to your lender. If your credit is still in good shape, if you still have equity in your house, the lender might be willing to lower your payments, refinance your loan, put some payments on the back end, and pause payments for a few months so you can catch up on the mortgage. But if it's come to a point where it's such a burden that you just want to walk away, that your best bet is to sell it as is to a cash investor. In this case, you should walk away with something, and they can get your money in as fast as 7 days. Another thing you can do that's more creative is you can do what's called subject to. Subject to is where another person takes over the mortgage. You can use this method if you don't have that much equity in your house, or you might have to bring money to the table if you sell it, or an investors offer you way low than what you need to cover the mortgage. In this case, the investor will simply take over the mortgage, so you get relieved of that financial monthly burden, and the investor can take on a property, fix it up, and start making money off of it. So this is a win-win situation for everybody. You're not stuck, but the sooner you act, the more options you're going to have. Do not wait till the last minute. The more you wait with your lender, the more late payments you're going to have, and the harder is it for the lender to help you. The more you wait, the cash offers that are going to come in closer to the auction date are going to be lower because they know you're desperate. But if you do it way before, then you can actually negotiate a good price on your property. With that said, to get a cash offer on your property, hit the link in the bio. We'll give you a cash offer, or at least we'll give you options on what you should do that's best for you in your situation.